Hello everyone, I am Dr. Pragya Prashant Gupta, Assistant Professor in Commerce Department. You have been completed your 12th standard and now it is the time that you have to be concentrate for the serious opinion about your future goals. This is the real time to identify where actually your interest lies down. Some students will choose to move ahead with science as their future path, while some other will choose to commerce or arts. It is a very personal commitment for a student to what he or she wants to be in coming future of their important career path. After passing the class 12th, students reach the stage of the crossroad of their important career path. Now this stage, it is a very important to every student who wants to be succeed in their life. After the class 12th, it is a very crucial stage where every student should join a particular course or stream which will be helpful in their career. For this purpose, we provide free of cost career counseling sessions to each and every student. In this part, we see their family backgrounds, percentage, communication skill, hobby, future goals, etc. After suggesting the particular course, we provide the best education to our students. Techno is the place where the student can explore himself. Those days have gone where the traditional approach of teaching was using in the field of education. In this modern era, every student wants to be advanced. As a teacher, it is an important task to create an environment for the student. For this purpose, we create an innovative learning environment which includes the modern approach of teaching like a proper presentation of the topic, creativity work in the subject, various types of case studies, field work, and most important, the relevancy of the subject in their life. We also focus the available online or digital content and their utility on their work, proper discussion on the particular topic, and especially try to finish the language barriers, etc. As I experienced that in the field of commerce, there are lots of scope or opportunities. This field has been categorized into three courses like BCom, BBA and BCom Honors. In the commerce field, lots of papers are there. For example, accounting, statistics, tax, operation research, law, marketing, audit, etc. In this field, each paper has its importance and it provides various types of job opportunities. In this field, each paper has its importance and it provides various types of job opportunities. After the completion of the course, we again counsel our students for selecting the job or other PG courses. So, in the nutshell, Techno is a place where you can achieve your dreams. So, students, all the best. Thank you.